Hi, this is Alan Johnson from BigAlsPhotography.com. Today I'm out at the Rancocas Nature Center to do some time-lapse photography, and I'll tell you more about it when we come back. Today we're going to be doing the time-lapse with two different cameras. One is the Nikon D800 with the 24 to 70 2.8, which is what's filming me right now, and also my GoPro Hero 3 White Edition, which I bought specifically for time-lapse, and it hasn't let me down so far, and it's especially nice since I can leave it out in really bad weather and still get something out of it. So I'm going to be putting these two head to head to see which one comes out with the best looking time lapse. I'll put both the videos from these in this video so you can see what the outcome was, and I'll even post the settings so you can see that. If you want to see how I process the images after we're done and how I turn them into the video, I'll make a separate video just for that, and I'll post that at some point in the future. Alright, till then.